Hello and welcome back to Putting Tech to the Test, brought to you by Sencommunications. I'm McKenna and today we are testing out what I hear is the ultimate work from home headset. We have the Logitech Zone Wireless 2. Okay, before we get started, if you like unboxings and seeing the coolest, latest tech, make sure to subscribe by hitting the button down below so you never miss out. And like I said, I have heard a ton about this Logitech headset. It's supposed to be amazing at noise cancellation, so I'm extra excited to test it out. As with all of Logitech's products, they really focus on sustainability and minimizing packaging and papers that they put in there. So you will see the instructions for connection printed on the top of the box. And right away, you have your headset. It's a nice gray color. It's kind of matte. And right off the bat, the ear cushions feel really soft. It looks like it got a little dented by the edge of the packaging, but since it's so soft, I feel like that'll puff right back in a day or so. The top of the headband is also padded and it's adjustable on either side. The mic has a full 270-degree field of rotation, so you can wear it on either the right or left side, depending on preference. And then on the headset, we have a mute button on the mic boom, an on and Bluetooth toggle, charging port, ANC control, and a Teams and answer button. All of the controls are on one ear, so it seems like it would be quite easy to use. Also in the box, you get a carrying pouch and a charging cord, as well as a user guide. You also get a dongle to use with this headset, and it is my favorite type. It is a USB-A and USB-C connection, so it just gives you extra options for connectivity with this headset, and it has a light indicator to show when the headset is properly connected. I also wanted to point out on the box here, it gives you a website, logitech.com/tune, where you can scan your unique QR code that comes with your box, and you can register this device and use their free Logitune software, which just optimizes its use and helps with that noise cancellation. Now, this headset, like I said, was really excited for because it is just packed with features perfectly designed for hybrid professionals. So first we have Hybrid ANC. Say you're working from home, your kids are playing loud music. Well, it doesn't matter because this is going to drown it all out with its 4 noise canceling mics. We also have advanced call clarity, which is going to detect and reduce noises based on an AI algorithm. With your mic, you have a flip to mute feature, so that way you can easily have sidebar conversations for interruptions. And although this headset has a 15-hour talk time or 22-hour listening time, if you forget to charge it, no worries at all because you can use the provided USB-C cable and use it as a corded headset. We also have multipoint connectivity, so you can seamlessly switch between 2 devices like your laptop or your phone. And like I said, it's manageable via Logisync for firmware updates, so you can always have the best audio quality. Okay, so I don't know about you, but that sounds really great and I'm dying to hear how this sounds, so let's put it to the test. Okay, so I went ahead and plugged it in, and you can tell it is connected and powered on because it has the white light on both the dongle and the headset. And then you'll notice when I flip the mic up to mute, it does turn red. So I like that you can have that reminder both on the headset and on your dongle. It was really simple to set up. It only took a few seconds and it connected seamlessly. I will say this headset's a bit on the heavier side, but not in a bad way because the padding is so light and so cushioned. It just feels like it'll be really durable. It also announces when it's on, what the battery percentage is, and mute on or off. So now let's see how this headset would sound in a busy call center. This is what it would sound like if I was just in a call center, no headset. And this is what it would sound like if I was on a Teams meeting using this headset in a call center. Now, this is what it would sound like if I was using this headset while dogs were barking. And this is what it would sound like on a Teams meeting if my dogs were barking while I was using this headset. Okay, just listen back to the audio, and this headset did such a great job of keeping my voice loud, clear, and consistent. You could hear the dogs barking a tiny bit, but it blocked out all of the call center audio. I'd say the biggest perks of this headset are the adjustable ANC, so you can put it in transparency mode where you can hear your surroundings more, or you can adjust it to low or high accordingly. Another big perk is the design. I mean, it's really sleek and modern and it looks nice, but it's also comfortable, and I could see it being great for all day use. So let us know in the comments below what you think of this headset and what you want to see next, and subscribe so you never miss out when we put more tech to the test. We'll see you next time. Bye.